Forget boardrooms. Harare's economy lives right here on the streets. Take this mobile car aircon technician. No workshop, just skill, refrigerant gas, gauges, and a side street. From gas refills to leak repairs, one car can bring in 20 to 50 US dollars paid instantly. Next door, a roadside mechanic changing brake pads and wheel bearings. Across the road, battery testing and jumpstart services, especially busy in winter. Phone repair guys fixing screens and charging ports under an umbrella. And mobile car washes turning dusty cars into clean money. These businesses work because rent is zero, demand is constant, and skills matter more than paperwork. For young people, this is the lesson. Small skills can feed families faster than waiting for formal jobs. It's not easy. There's harassment, weather, and competition. But this is resilience in action. This is Harare, built by hustlers, powered by skill. Please subscribe to Smart Tech and Biz and share and like us on YouTube.